Jump
She can
again.
jump out of the waterfall too if she wants
Yeah.
to.
Jump again.
Actually, that might be too far away. It
Yeah.
might be harder.
Yeah.
It might be harder. Look at you go.
Show us your jumping.
Wow.
Your jumping is awesome.
On your hand. Right there.
Look at you go.
Show us your jumping.
Elbows, elbows. Get your knee up.
Wow, so
Climbs out by
strong.
herself
Get your knee
and
up.
everything.
You're so strong,
Get your
honey.
knee up. Pull
Wow.
yourself up.
Oh, yeah.
Nope. Yeah. You gotta do it yourself.
Wow, you're so strong, honey.
I don't want to do it myself.
Oh, you want to come up the
You wanna do
ladder?
the ladder?
Oh, let's do the
I
ladder.
don't want to go.
Do you want Daddy to help give you a boost?
Let's go. Elbows up.
Daddy can give you a boost.
Ready?
There you go.
There you go. Go, go, go. Pull.
Elbow, elbow, knee, knee.
Pull.
Yay!
Muscles.
Yeah. I gave you a little.
You needed a boost. You just needed a boost. All right. Let's show Daddy and Grandma and Grandpa you're jumping.
Ready.
Aim.
Hey.
Fire!